Hi, my name is Paul Vasey and I want to talk to you about CashCrunch Careers. Now, Careers was created basically with a difference. Think about careers with a twist. Now, a lot of times people are saying, hey, I'm good at math, therefore, hey, be an accountant or something like that. But a lot of people jump from job to job because they're trying to find something they really, really enjoy. Now, there's nothing worse than being in the wrong type of job. Also, if you're not enjoying the job, you're not putting in the effort, there's very little chance of excelling and even getting promoted. So, hey, why don't we just stop all that and let's find you a job that actually you're going to enjoy based on your inherent traits. You're all born with these traits. So some people are really competitive, some people are not. Some people are full of empathy, some people are not. Let's find something that reflects you and allows you to get into a career that you're going to enjoy and ultimately excel. So CashCrunch Careers, basic survey, we help you. There's a course that comes with it and we help you get prepared for your career prep and readiness. So cashcrunchcareers.com.